To get a kiss from a girl you like, look for a chance to spend some quality time with her. Choose a romantic setting where you can get some quiet time together without any interruptions. Wait for a moment when you both feel relaxed and happy, and pay close attention to her body language. If you see her smiling a lot, making lingering eye contact, or glancing at your lips, she might be in the mood for a kiss. Try leaning in close or putting your hand on her arm and see how she responds. If she moves closer, that's a good sign. Say something like, "I'd really love to kiss you right now. Is that okay?" If she says yes, close your eyes, tilt your head slightly to one side, and gently bring your lips to hers.